Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is NURIN binti ZAINUDDIN, a Bachelor of Logistics and Distributive Trade student from University Malaysia Kelantan. Today I will be presenting my industrial training report based on my internship at Infinity Logistics and Transport Sdn Bhd, where I was attached to Customer Service Haulage Department. Without further ado, I would like to begin with the background of the company. Infinity Logistics and Transport Sdn Bhd is a Malaysian logistics company that has been operating for more than 18 years. The company provides integrated logistics and transportation solutions for both domestic and international markets. It offers a wide range of logistics services including freight forwarding, haulage, warehousing, depot services, non-vehicle operating common carrier or NVOCC services, retail transportation, and bulk logistics solutions. In addition, Infinity Logistics became the first Malaysian logistics company to be listed on the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in 2020. Today, the company operates in more than 80 countries, enabling it to provide reliable logistics services throughout the region and internationally. Besides focusing on business growth, the company is also committed to sustainability throughout environmental, social, and governance initiatives, as well as various corporate social responsibility programs. Having introduced the company, I will now continue with the service and role of company in the logistics industry. Infinity Logistics provides comprehensive logistics services that support supply chain activities from the point of origin until the final destination. Its core services include land transportation, freight forwarding, NVOCC services, warehousing and depot operation, flexi-tank services for bulk liquid transportation, and fourth-party logistics or 4PL solution. Besides providing logistics services, the company also plays an important role in supporting Malaysia's economic development by facilitating import and export activity and strengthening regional trade connectivity. Through its logistic network, Infinity supports various industries such as manufacturing, retail, construction, agriculture, and many others by ensuring efficient and reliable cargo movement. The company also contributes to employment opportunities, supports supply chain efficiency, and promotes sustainable logistic practices through digitalization (ESG) initiative. Next, I will briefly explain the organizational structure of the company. Infinity Logistics adopts a hierarchical organizational structure to ensure efficient management and effective decision-making. The organization is led by the Board of Directors, which consists of the Chairman, Executive Director, the Managing Director, and the Administration Director. Each member has different responsibilities in planning the company's strategic direction, overseeing daily operation, managing administrative functions, and ensuring that business objectives are successfully achieved. This structure management system enables the company to maintain efficient logistic operation while responding effectively to customer requirements. After introducing the company, I will now move on to my scope of work duration during the industrial training. During my industrial training, I was attached to the Customer Service Haulage Department. My main responsibility was preparing consignment notes or CN before haulage operation could begin. Besides that, I verify customer documents such as the container movement order (CMO), booking confirmation, booking numbers, and container numbers to ensure that all information was completed and accurate before processing each job. I also use several operational systems including survey system, cargo move, the Notepad system, Swim, and Google Sheet to update operational records and monitor transportation activities. In addition, I communicated with the operation department and drivers to monitor container movement and ensure that deliveries were carried out according to schedule. This responsibility provides me with valuable practical exposure to real logistic operation and strengthen my understanding of haulage management. Next, I would like to explain my contribution to the company throughout my internship training. Throughout my industrial training, I actively supported the daily operation of the customer service haulage department. I contributed by preparing consignment notes accurately and on time, verifying customer documentation before processing jobs, and updating operational records using the company digital system. I also assisted in coordinating communication between customer service personnel, the operation department, and drivers to ensure the haulage activity proceeded smoothly. By carefully checking operational documents before processing each job, I helped minimize documentation errors and reduce the possibility of delay caused by inaccurate information. Although I was an intern, this responsibility enabled me to support the department's daily operation while contributing to more efficient documentation management and smoother haulage coordination. Having explained my contribution, I will now discuss the issue and challenges that I observed during my industrial training. Several operational issues were identified throughout my internship. The first issue involved documentation inconsistency, where customer instructions sometimes did not match the information recorded in the operational system. The second challenge was operational coordination and communication. Last-minute customer requests, changes in delivery schedule, and communication with drivers occasionally affected the efficiency of daily operation. Another issue was the limitation of digital system. At certain times, systems such as Survey responded slowly, while information in cargo move was sometimes updated later than expected. Duplicate entries in Google Sheet also require additional manual checking. Finally, external operational constraints such as traffic congestion, long waiting times at port, custom inspection, and vehicle breakdown also affected haulage operations. These challenges demonstrated that logistic operations require effective communication, accurate documentation, and efficient coordination to maintain service quality. The issues and challenges that I mentioned earlier had several impacts on the company's daily operation. Firstly, it reduced operational efficiency. This is because employees needed to spend extra time checking documents, correcting errors, and coordinating with different departments. Secondly, these challenges could cause delays in container collection and delivery, which affected the overall transportation schedule. Besides that, the additional work required to resolve these issues increased employees' workload and made daily operation more challenging. If these issues are not managed properly, they could also affect customer satisfaction, especially when deliveries were delayed or customer experienced service disruption. Lastly, operational delays and repeated work could increase the company's operating costs by consuming more time, manpower, and resources. Having explained the impact of these issues, I will now continue with several recommendations for improvement. Based on the issue identified, several improvements can be recommended. Firstly, the company could develop a fully integrated digital platform that synchronizes customer requests with operational system in real time to reduce manual data entry and improve documentation accuracy. Secondly, an AI-assisted document verification system could automatically detect incomplete or inconsistent information before documents are processed. The company could also introduce a real-time digital dashboard and a mobile workforce application to improve communication between customer service personnel, operations staff, and drivers. Lastly, AI-powered road optimization, GPS tracking technologies, and regular system maintenance could help improve operational efficiency and reduce delays caused by external factors. Implementing these improvements would strengthen operational performance and enhance customer satisfaction. Next, I will share the knowledge and skills that I gained throughout my industrial training. The industrial training provided me with valuable knowledge and practical experience that cannot be obtained through classroom learning alone. Throughout the internship, I improved my communication skills by interacting with customers, colleagues, and drivers on a daily basis. I also developed stronger teamwork, problem solving, time management, and adaptability skills while handling operational tasks in a fast paced working environment. Most importantly, I gained a better understanding on actual logistic operation, document processes, and the importance of coordination in ensuring efficient supply chain activities. These experiences have prepared me to become more competent and confident as I begin my future career in the logistic industry. Finally, I would like to conclude my presentation. In conclusion, my industrial training at Infinity Logistics and Transport Sdn Bhd has been a valuable and meaningful learning experience. The internship allowed me to apply the knowledge that I learned at university in a real working environment while gaining practical exposure to logistic and supply chain operations. It also strengthened my technical knowledge, communication skill, teamwork, and professional attitude. Overall, this industrial training has prepared me for future employment and provided me with a better understanding of the responsibilities and challenges involved in the logistic industry. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you.